Do you know when LongJoin Intelligent joined Zhaga Consortium? In the last video, we learned about the Zhaga Consortium, an international organization founded in 2010 to develop a set of standardized specifications so that LED modules, lighting components, controllers, and systems are interchangeable and compatible. In July 2018, the Zhaga Book 18 standard was released to add IoT features to outdoor LED lighting. It defines the interface between LED drivers and LED light sources. Shanghai LongJoin Intelligent always pay attention to the latest industry information, keep up with the industry standards. In March 2019, LongJoin Intelligence announced that it had joined Zhaga International Consortium as one of its 4 members. In June of the same year, LongJoin Intelligence released a number of Zhaga Interface Intelligent Lock Controller. Only a few months of its 3 Zhaga Interface products officially obtained DACA Quality Inspection certification. To provide more choices for the market and widely praised by customers. I'm Aubrey from Shanghai LongJoin. In the next video, I will tell you which are the first 3 products of LongJoin certified by Zhaga Consortium. Welcome to our channel, and we will tell you the answer next time. If you like our videos, please help to like, follow, and retweet them. Bye!